my name is Nihal Singh and I'm from Proud Technologies. Today I'm going to give you the demonstration on receiving registrar panel. So to get into the receiving registrar panel, you need to fill your username and password. So the username is and the password is. After filling your username and password on given text boxes, click in the sign in button, and when you click in the sign in button, you will get into the receiving registrar panel. So this is the receiving registrar panel, and clerk ID is CLK210146. Alright, this is the clerk ID on which you have logged in. Alright, so this is the clerk ID, and this is the dashboard of the clerk panel, or you can say that this is the dashboard of the receiving registrar panel. Alright, so these are the few tabs which you can use in this panel, like home, cause list, case diary, case search, add applicants, file case, and there are some more links file, like if you want to upload the documents, add IDC, IPC, modify what data, you want to modify the data, view document, the documents you have uploaded, you want to see all the documents, so you can check all the document by just clicking on view documents. Alright, so this is the dashboard. So before I'll give you more information about this panel, I'll tell you what is clerk panel or what is receiving registrar panel. Alright, for example, like I am a petitioner, I want to file a case. So what I will do, I need to go to clerk, alright, and file a case. So the particular lawyer, clerk, or receiving registrar can file the case on behalf of me. Alright, so that is the clerk or lawyer panel. Alright, so as we can say that in the dashboard, we can see that there are many types of cases are running right into the clerk panel. Right, so old file cases for petitioner, there are 4 cases. Alright, the given number above the file is the number of cases, how many number of cases are running on the petitioner panel. Right, for example, like old file cases for petition, there are 4. It means that there are 4 cases are running. Today file cases for petitioner, 1. It means only 1 file is running on petitioner. Today file cases for petitioner. Alright, total running cases, there are 3 number of cases right now. So these are the numbers which are running. Alright, so for example, like I can only see the number, how many cases are running for old file cases for petitioner. I don't know the name of the case, name of who is the clerk, or you can say that what is the name of the petitioner, and many more things. So if you want to see the whole data of the cases, for example, you want to see what are the case numbers which are running in old file cases for petitioner. So what you need to do, you just need to click on the number, and when you click on the number, you will get another page where you can see all the number of cases. Alright, for example, there are 4 cases, these are the cases, these are the receiving number, these are the case type, what kind of case it is. So like all the 4 cases are criminal cases, these are the petitioner, and these are the respondent. Alright, so by this you can by just clicking on the number, you will get all the cases over the page. Alright, so for example, right now we have only 4 cases, and let's take an example for like if you have 2000 or 4000 cases and you want to search a particular person. So what you need to have to search a person, you need to have their receiving number. For example, let's say I'm searching a person whose receiving number is CR802515. It's 802515. Alright, so this is the receiving registrar number, and when I click on the search button, you can see that we will get the file whose receiving number is CR802515. Alright, so this is the receiving number and this is the receiving number which I fill in the receiving number text box, and after clicking on search question I get the file, right? And the respondent is Mr. Sandeep Kumar. So by this you can search a particular case giving the searching parameters. So let's come back to the home page, or you can say that dashboard. So this is the way you can see the whole cases, alright. For example, like today file cases for petitioner. If you looking for today, how many cases are filed on same day, today, so you can see that case will be come over under the today file cases for petitioner. So we have only one case, so that is why it is showing one. So if you want to see the case, what is the name of the petitioner, what is the name of the respondent, what is the receiving number, so you can see all the basic details of the case by just clicking on that number, alright. So this is the person petitioner whose name is Vicky Singer, and the name of the respondent is Himani Chauhan, and this is the civil type case, and this is the receiving number, alright. This is a very fresh case. Today this case is filed on the same date, means today days. Alright, so let's come back to the dashboard. Okay. Alright, so what is dashboard? Dashboard is a basic summary of the whole panel. It is showing you, it will show you how many number of cases are running into the clerk panel, and what stage they have, at what stage they have. Like if the case is filed on today, so it will come on the today file cases for petitioner. If the file is old, so it comes on old file cases for petitioner. If it will total running cases show how many cases are running into the clerk panel. For example, like we have 3 cases, alright, and all rejected cases for petitioner. If any case is rejected by the registrar panel, so it will come into the all rejected cases for petitioner. Today cases rejected cases for petitioner is 0, alright. So this is the petitioner and this is the respondent. Same thing will be happen for the respondent also, alright. So this is the clerk panel. So what is cause list? Let's come into the cause list. Just click on the cause list menu and you will get a page where you can see all the basic details of cause list, alright. So what is going on the cause list? You will cause list is filterized, filter all the cases. For example, like new cases for petitioner, if you want to see the cases, new cases for petitioner, you can click on this, so you will get all the data. And new cases for respondent, then you click on the new cases for respondent. Now you will get all the cases of respondent, which is very fresh case. After the assigned cases, so we have 5 assigned cases right now, and any pending cases, alright. So we have 3 pending cases. Deceased cases, yes, we have 1 deceased cases. Deceased means that the case is dead, there is nothing is going on that particular code, that is known as deceased case. Reject cases for petitioner, it means that any case which is rejected by the registrar panel, so automatically it's come back to the clerk panel. And after that, rejected cases for respondent, same thing for the respondent also. If the case is rejected from the registrar panel, it will come again to the clerk panel, right? So this is the cause list. After that, case diary. So what is case diary? For example, like I have 200 clients, I have 200 petitioners, and amongst them whose cases are going on which date, I can see here. For example, like we have a 24th February, today is 24th February, so we have a case on 24th February. So we can see the cases, like it is showing there is no cases for today. It means that we don't have any case for hearing on the same date, alright. So we can see all the cases on which date the case is going on. After that, add application. So as I told you earlier, what is the working of clerk panel? For example, like I am a petitioner and I would like to file a case. So for what I need to do, I need to go to clerk panel. All right, so what clerk will do, first of all, clerk add the applicant. I am applicant, and clerk will add me into the panel. For example, like applicant type is individual, and when you click on the individual, automatically all the given text boxes will appear like this. And what after that, what a clerk need to do, they need to file all the details of the person, particular person, like it's Ravi Sharma. All right, the male is gender. Let's take the date of birth. It's 4th January. 4th January. Like, let's take 1992. Address is Tamnagar, and the state is Delhi. And after that, mobile number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and email ID is mandatory. So let's give a email ID. It's ravi@gmail.com. Alright. So these are the mandatory. As we can see that after the text there is a star. There is a star symbol. So it means that these are the mandatory fields. You need to fill all these details. And when you click on the add button, after clicking on the add button, the applicant will add into the panel. Alright, as we can see that individual has been added successfully, and when you scroll down your page, you can see that the applicant has been added. It's Ravi Sharma. Alright, so the applicant has been added into our clerk panel. Now what we need to do, we need to file a case. Alright, so for filing a case, I need to click on the file cases, and after that this screen will appear, where what I need to do, first of all I need to select the case type, what kind of case it is. Let's take this is a civil case. Alright, and after that what sub cases, what kind of case it is. It is a sub case type, and I need to select one type. Alright, after that case filed by type, the person who has filed the case, it is individual. Alright, and when you click on the individual, you need to select the case filed by the name of the person, and the name of the person is Ravi Sharma. So please select the Ravi Sharma. Alright, when you select the person, name of the person, automatically all the details will be filled automatically in the given text boxes. Alright, okay, so after that you need to select the respondent type. Respondent type is also individual. Alright, and what is the name of the respondent? The name of the respondent is let's take Himani Chauhan, and when you click on the respondent name, automatically all the details of respondent will be filled into the given text boxes. And if you need if you have any details of these, you can fill, and when you click on the next button, you will get into the next page of the same form, where you need to fill some more details, like what state, it's Delhi. And the case type, we already have selected case title. If you have any title, please give the title name. Year of filing, the year of filing is 2015. It's 2015. Alright, this is 2015. And day of judgment, we don't have day of judgment right now, because the case is registered. Case is registered right now. What is the name of the judge? If you know the name of the judge, you can write over here, or if you don't know, so no need to fill any judge name. And when you click on the finish button, automatically the case will file. Alright, so right now we have the case has been filed successfully, and the receiving number is CS946974. Alright, so this is the case number, receiving number of the case we have just filed. Right, so and we have given all the basic details of the case. And after that, if we have any kind of document related to the case, like we need to give our affidavit, we need to give our ID proof, or we have any FIR number or anything else related to the case, so we can upload all the basic things into the server, into the particular case. So for this, what I need to do, I need to click on the add documents. Alright, when I click on the add documents, alright, so I have to I have to give all the basic details of the case. Like if I have any document, so choose the document type, what kind of document, like I have affidavit, so please browse your file by clicking on choose file button. So like let's select the file, like we have it is a doc file, and so we don't have the extension, so you need to give any another file, like we have a, let's take the txt file, and when you click on the upload button, this file will be uploaded into the server for the particular case. Alright, and the document has no pages. Alright, so we need to take any other page. Okay, let's take it a page. Let's take email data final. Alright, so just click on the button and upload it. Click on the upload button, and once you click on the upload button, see the document has been uploaded successfully. It means the document is uploaded. Just scroll down your page, you can see the document which have been uploaded right now. So when I click on this PDF file, I can see I can download the file which I have uploaded. And if you want to delete the file, you can click on the delete button, and if you want to view the document, just click on this PDF file, you can view the file. Alright, so by this you can see the whole document of the case, particular case. So this is all about the receiving registrar panel, or you can say that clerk panel. Right? For example, right now after the clerk panel or receiving registrar panel, the case will move from clerk panel to registrar panel. Registrar is the person who can check all the necessary documents of the case and have a look on the case also, and if all the documents are correct, then the case will move from registrar panel to cashier panel. And if the case has any kind of problem, or they don't have any required documents, then automatically the case is rejected from the registrar panel and it will come back again to the clerk panel. Right? So right now we just file the case, and what a clerk need to do, they need to move file from clerk panel to receiving registrar panel. So just click on the cause list button, and this is our file, this is our case, and when you click on to the click to process button, automatically we have these are the registrar of the court. So which registrar we need to move the case, select the registrar reg number or give any remarks. Alright, and when you click on the process button, automatically this case will move from clerk panel to registrar panel. See, we have a case just few minutes back, and when I move case from clerk panel to registrar panel, automatically it is showing no details forms. Alright, so because the case is moved from clerk panel to registrar panel, that is why. So this is all about the and now if you can click on the home button, and as you can see that we don't have any case on this same date, because before that it was showing 1, because the case is still on in the clerk panel, but I have moved case from clerk panel to receiving registrar panel, that is why it is showing 0, because the case has been moved from clerk panel to registrar panel. And when I logged into the registrar panel, I can see the case on in registrar panel. Right? So this is all about the clerk panel, and we will give you the demonstration, next demonstration in our next session. So till then, thank you, bye bye.